In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned $935 into over $32,000 on my travel trade station while trading from paradise. This is the best way to grow a small account. Check it out.
All right, guys. So right here, right now, $935 into $32,000. I've already put money in my pocket from this, and we're moving forward. The best way for you, in my opinion, to grow a small account in 2024, 2025, 2026 is trading like I've just done here for a prop firm trading futures. Now, wait a second. I know it sounds scary. Oh my God, futures. Guys, the safest place you can trade, in my opinion, for trading futures is going to be for a prop firm. And why? Very simple. You purchase an evaluation, you pass it. After you pass it, you pay your PA fee, you convert it into a funded account, and then bang, you're trading in a funded account. I have videos all over my channel explaining how to do this, so go ahead and check them out after you finish watching this video. In this video, I'm going to show you my funded accounts, their current balances, their P&Ls. I'm going to show you the P&Ls that have the winning strategy. I'm going to show you the pattern that I've traded the most and it's helped me convert $935 into over $32,000. Okay, now these aren't evaluations. These are already paid accounts. Those $935 is the equivalent of me paying $85, which is the lifetime fee currently at Apex. Link in the description and comment section of this video with my coupon code, all caps, JesseW, for the best discount available there. And then basically three other firms, which is Earn to Trade, My Funded Futures, and Take Profit Trader. Now for Apex, $85 lifetime fee. Boom, times 11 accounts, which is what I have. You have yourself $935. Trading those 11 accounts, bang, $32,000. I've already put $3,200 in my pocket. All right, and I'll show you a screenshot of the deposit from Apex into my bank account. And now we're good to go. We're continuing to trade, looking for more payouts later this month. Now, I'm going to show you, like I said, the accounts, the P&Ls, and I'm going to show you the pattern that I've traded the most. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Smash the like button. Okay, so here you have it. You see right here where my mouse is, you have these little green boxes. These little green boxes are the accounts that I've actually traded in. I converted yesterday 4 more accounts, two $250,000 and two $50,000 accounts. And today I passed 2 more $50,000 accounts, giving me a grand total of 17 accounts. Okay, the max you can have with Apex as of current is 20 accounts. These are all funded accounts. You see the PA next to it? That's what that is. These accounts mean that you trade in them and you get paid when you hit the profit goal. For example, on these $50,000 accounts, the profit goal is $2,600 traded in 10 days. So I still have a few more days to trade here. Right here, you have another $50,000 account, $2,400, and down here you have another one with $2,700, and this one already qualifies for what? A payout later this month when the new payout cycle comes about, which is September 15th through the 20th. So it's safe to say, if I continue trading well, that I'm going to go ahead and get another anywhere from $4,000 to $10,000 in payouts. Now right here you see 2,300, nearly 2,400, another 2,400, 600 and change, 2,300, nothing because I didn't trade these since I converted them last night. 3,200, 750 bucks, 4,000, 2,800, 2,400, 4,100, and 2,700. All of this totals to about $28,000. Plus I just got a deposit today for 3,200 bucks, and that add that to the 2,800, bang. All right, you have my total profit. So tomorrow I'll have another 2 accounts on here, another two $50,000 accounts on here, and we'll continue to trade those. Those will get payouts probably sometime in October as we progress through this. Now, to me, this feels like a small account. I'm not trading this thing going insane. I'm not just trading one account. That's the beauty of it. If you put $900 into your E-Trade account, you're going to trade one account. I'm trading all of these accounts with $935 out of my pocket. Okay, I already recovered that and profit with my $3,200 payout that I just received, meaning all these other payouts that are remaining are just nothing but straight pay to my pocket, guys. You have to look at it that way. That's leverage. That's the most I can ever be out. If I blow all these accounts up tomorrow, the most I'm out is 935 bucks, which I already received $3,200 in payout from. You follow my drift now? This is why I believe that trading a small account, how it used to be done back in the day, is a fool's errand at this point. Right now, trading a small account, this is the way you do it. So you have all these profits. Let me show you now P&L in 2 accounts, because there's one account here I want you to take notice of. This $250,000 account here only has $3,200 in profit after 30 days of trading. I have struggled on that account tremendously. So I'm going to show you a stark contrast there between that account and another account, and that's going to show us why I'm not doing so well on that one. So let's go ahead and jump into that one. All right, so here you have that account where I have 3,200 bucks in profit or so, and you have the date here from August till September 12th. I think I started trading this account actually sometime in July. It's possible, since it only has 2,900 bucks here instead of 3,200. Look at this insanity, guys. I've made $37,000 trading in this account, but I've lost $33,000. My accuracy is 48%. I'll tell you right now, I've had days with an accuracy of 30 some odd percent, and it's been a banger day. I've made a lot of money on that day. Why? Because I've kept my winners much smaller than my losers. I've allowed my winners to run. I've allowed my winners to get bigger, to provide bigger profits, thus erasing the losses. That's not something I've been able to accomplish in this account for some reason. Coupled with the accuracy being subpar, my accuracy is generally in the 60 percentile. It's just not working out. Look, my largest losing trade, 1,700 bucks, 1,740 to be exact. My largest winning trade, only 1,400. My largest winning trade here should be at least 2,000 bucks, and in reality, it should be 2,800. At least 24 to 2,800 bucks in that realm. That's where it should be at, but it's not. It is significantly a couple hundred bucks less than my largest loser. That's totally unacceptable. That's a recipe for losing. Then you have my average winning trade being 304, but my average losing trade being 256. Not the best, but if my accuracy would have been slightly better, I would definitely be making more money in this account. Okay, average winning trade time 2 minutes 14 seconds, average losing 1 minute 13, longest winning trade time 12 minutes 37 seconds, longest losing trade time 10 minutes and change. Overall, those stats down here aren't too bad, but I gotta tighten this one up. I'm trading it too loosey, too loosey goosey, right? 48% accuracy. What is that? No way. I'm getting 8 by commissions, 800 bucks in commissions. Just not a good look on this account currently. All right. Now I want to show you an account where I am trading tighter, where I'm trading more along the lines of how I trade. All right, guys, so here you have it. You have this account. This is a $50,000 account, much smaller account, okay, significantly smaller. Remember how I told you my accuracy is generally in that 60 percentile? Look at the accuracy on this one, 57%, okay, 57%. Now we're cooking with fire. My total loss, 1,760. My profits, 4,645. Boom, I'm up $2,800 on this account, all right? I don't believe I started in August. I believe I started this in late August, but I did custom range here to try to get all the trades in together. 57% accuracy, I'm up 2,800 bucks. I want you to look at my largest winning trade, $795. My largest losing trade, $435. Significantly bigger. Now we're talking. You see what I'm saying from earlier? That's what you want to see. Average winning trade, $309. Average losing trade, $160. Are you seeing that? My average winning trade is double that of my average losing trade. That's where you want to live. Okay, average winning trade time 3 minutes 23 seconds, average losing trade time 3 minutes 9 seconds, roughly about the same. Okay, longest winning trade time 15 minutes 2 seconds, longest losing trade time 8 minutes 14 seconds. That's what you want to see. You want to see that those average winners are almost double, if not more, double or triple than your average losers, and you want to see that you're holding on to your winners longer than you are to your losers. You want to make sure that you're letting those winners pay you, right? If you're right and you got your trend correct, you got direction correct, then when you're holding on to those winners and you're scaling out, that's going to go ahead and allow you to make more money over the long run. So right there, that's the difference. I'm not holding on to winners long enough. With the other one, my accuracy is dog crap in that other account. My largest winner is way smaller than my largest loser. Not acceptable at all. These are the stats of a winner right here. These are the stats across basically all the other accounts as well. It's just that one account that I've struggled in. I don't know why. Don't ask me. I can see that it's in the stats, but why has that account specifically gotten under my skin like that? I don't know. I think at this point it's psychological, and when I bring up the account and I see my account number and I know it's that one and I'm going to trade it, I just inherently trade it like crap. Hopefully from here on out we continue improving that one. Let me tell you something about that account. That account I've almost lost twice. One time I was only a few $100s away from that funded account, poof, being done, auto liquidation, but I've brought it back. Okay, I brought it back because I've sat there and I've waited and traded the plan, and I've allowed those winners to run at times, but it hasn't been enough. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get a fat payout out of that one. I know for sure in the future we're gonna get a fat payout out of that one. Boom, now here we have one of the patterns that I've traded during this time frame, right? But even though I've traded multiple patterns, this pattern has been the one that's paid out the most. It's definitely been the one that I've traded the most and paid out the most. Obviously, it's because I've traded the most. Now here you see you have the NQ, which is what I trade, bear flagging. This is a bear flag formation right here, okay? And you have multiple ways to trade this. The way that I traded it this time and it paid out the most was right here. Okay, I got chopped up a little bit in here because I didn't notice the pattern, and then here I noticed the pattern, and when we started to break down a little bit, I went ahead and got my short. I set my stop over the top of the flag, and then as soon as we started to break underneath it, I added to my short, and bang, look at all these take profits, guys. Are you kidding me? These are monster takes. I want you to see where these shorts are at and where these take profits are at, where these short entries are and where these take profits are at. My stop compared to my take profits. That is how you manage risk. Remember earlier I mentioned managing risk is by putting yourself in these types of patterns where you can get in close to where your stop is and be able to peel off major profits when the trade works in your favor. So that's what you want to make sure that you're paying attention to, and you're being patient for waiting for those patterns to develop and allow you to enter these trades. This is how you grow small accounts. Here's another example of the same type of pattern. Look at this. You have your big drop, which is your flagpole. You have your Qs right here consolidating. You got the top resistance, the bottom support, right? You can get short anywhere in here if you want, or you can wait for the breakdown of the pattern, get short, write it down, stop if you get back inside the pattern, okay? That's how you would trade that. But look how beautiful that bear flag formation worked out for you, right? That's what you want to make sure. And always looking at your volume profile. You want big volume on your flagpole, small volume during your flag, big volume on the breakdown out of that flag. Guys, that's how you win. This is how you grow a small account in current times. Gone are the day of the low float runners trying to turn $500 into 10,000. Now you can turn $900 into 32,000 trading for a prop firm. Links in the description and comment section to that and my course if you want to learn a little bit more on how to trade. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Remember to smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I'll see you on another one. Peace.